Hi guys, right, welcome to another Caravan episode. Right, on this we're just making sure the lights are working. Got brand new LED lights on the back and clearance lights. I've got new covers for them. But before, I just want to make sure that they're working before we take it down the driveway. So I needed to put smaller wheels on it too, just to get under the carport. But later on you'll see the proper wheels on it later. Anyway, you'll see it go down the driveway shortly. I hope you enjoy this little update on our Caravan. It does look cute when it looks big now, but yeah, look at it now.
How are we going? Watching both sides?
Go towards their house a bit. Now come out to the wheel.
Huh?
You know when to turn that back to.
Huh? I can see.
Yeah.
I'm just keeping it straight, and then I'll tell you when I can start turning. It's about 100 mil away. And start turning now.
It's alright.
It doesn't go down enough. No, that's okay. That's why you undo. Oh, that's on that. Wind it up. Unzip that up, and get back up.
I think you've got to go forward a little bit. Or push the caravan back.
Alright, let's slip in once it goes down.
It's so heavy it'll just go in the corners.
That's it.
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, look, if Caden was instead of me, I think we would have both been dead hands in a dead Caden. Alright.
You got a car coming?
Oh God, he's. Oh,
That's fine.
Sorry, video. That's looking good. Thanks. Turn left. Yeah, that's good. Keep that coming. Keep it left. Left, 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 left. Keep turning left. Yeah, that's good.
Can't hear what I do.
That's good. We could probably take it off there and push it back.
There it is. So I've just hooked up the solar, and I'm actually got a bit of sun right now. So there it is there. Just gonna go up the ladder and show you how much sun's on the. So we got it that way up there, and there's two solar panels there. It does make the popped up a little bit heavy, but that's okay. All right, we'll go inside and see how much sun. It's not a very hot day. It's actually quite cool. Anyway, there's the lights there. I put new lights on it because the other ones shut themselves, the Chinese ones, so I bought proper ones. Don't buy Chinese shit. And I've got new ones of these. You'll see them later. And now I've just got the drawbar there, see? I've got that on there. Right, we'll go see what this is like. So the fridge drawers, we've got the fridge on. See, the fridge is on. And it is cool, I can feel it. What do we got? We're pumping out. It's pumping out 15 volts at 8 amps. So she's pumping out 8.6 amps. Now the fridge runs 3 amps. So if we get you on here, that shows you when the arrow's up, shows how much it's putting in. That's how many amp hours it's putting in. That's the amp hours on the battery, sorry. That shows how many amps it's going in. It's 99%. It was 98.3 before. And that just shows the volts, 13.4 again. So that's good. So that's 8 amps. So when the sun goes down, there's an arrow that points down, which means it's drawing power. So it's putting 7 amps in at the moment. That won't take long to go to 100%. That was 99. Now it's just gone up 1% since we've been talking. So 7.5 amps. So there is a bit of a droppage. So that's 7.9. But anyway, I'll just run you through all this. So that's the fridge power. This is all the main power. Alright, there we go. So what we do is, if we're on battery's connected, we click it here, we turn that on, and everything comes on. So you can see if we put cabin lights on, the light comes on. It actually tells you how much I'm drawing here. But yeah, and there the work light, there the bed light. We're nearly there, so I'm just hooking up the solar at the moment. Just testing it, making sure everything is right before we close it all up. Just got to cut that much off and rejoin it later. And we got some spare cables here. So the Caravan's more or less done inside. I don't think I showed. I don't know if I showed these bits, these drawers. So, oh yeah, I have got something to tell you. When we drove it in the backyard, I had a big crash, and this TV was sitting here. And I came in and it was on the ground, so TV is buggered. We've got to get a new TV. Doesn't matter. They're up for about $200, $300, but are we going to watch TV while we're camping? I don't know. But anyway, it doesn't matter. That was a lesson learnt. So shows you how much water we got in it. We haven't got nothing in it right now. Not going to turn that on because it'll pump water, or try to pump water. So anyway, that was 10 amps before. So I'm pretty happy. We keep pumping 10 amps in. And it's an autumn day right now. It's an autumn day. It's an autumn day about 11 o'clock. So she's pumping in, she's probably going to pump in about 7 amps for the next 3 or 4 hours. So that'll be full again, I reckon. Until the morning. See, now she's 99.2 for that amount of time that we're talking. But yeah, there's inside it. Alright, I've just been sitting here watching that, what I just videoed then. She's 99.6 now. And have a look at this. It's putting in 11 amps. It's putting in 11.1 amps. And that's what the panels are, 15 at 10 amps. So I'm pretty happy, so we'll go outside and have a quick look. That's 11 amps. So it'll be about 10.5 there. There you go. There's a drop. There's like a little bit of a drop, but that's still putting 10 amps in. Oh, it's 99.7 now. She's pumping in 10 amps. This can handle 50 amps, this one. But anyway, probably boring everyone. Let's go outside and there you go. That's the sort of sun. It's the sort of sun we're looking at. How good does it look? I love it. Good to see. Just, it's good to know, you know, what sort of idea, what am I going to get, or what am I getting out of it. But there you go. It's not a full sun, and it's very, you can see by the leaves, it's a little bit breezy. She's cool. That's putting 11 amps in. That won't be long, and that'll be 100%. While the fridge is actually running, and it'll be 100% soon. So I'm friggin' happy about that. Alright guys, just want to give you an update on the Caravan. Pretty happy with that.